guys, today's video is going to be on Marie Kanker, one of the Kanker sisters from Ed, Edd, and Eddy. I don't know if you guys watched that show when you were younger, but I used to watch it all the time. I thought it was so funny. And the Kanker sisters were like in love with Ed, Edd, and Eddy. And I always loved Marie. She was like the more, I guess, alternative sister. She was always wearing like black shirt, black like tank top, cargo, like green pants, and I just loved her. So I knew I had to create a look for her for ASHTOBERFEST, and I swear you guys, this is my new everyday look. Like, I love this makeup, even this hair color. I need to calm down with my hair for a second. My hairstylist is gonna have a heart attack. I'm gonna leave my hair green for a very long time, but maybe this color someday. Anyways, this wig is from Amazon. Amazon has been killing it with wigs for Halloween this year. I will link it down below. It's like $15, super cheap, and it is the perfect color. I didn't cut it. This is how it came. So her hair covers her eye all the time, so she's always like this with one eye. So I guess I'll stay like this for a second, although it is really annoying to wear lashes and have your hair cover your eye. Anyways, I really hope you guys are enjoying ASHTOBERFEST so far. It's been so fun for me this year, and I really hope that you guys are enjoying it as well. Don't forget, if you want to enter today's makeup giveaway, to comment on the Instagram photo of Marie. And I will be choosing winners at the end of the week. If you're new here and this is your first time watching ASHTOBERFEST, it is where I upload a ton of Halloween looks in the month of October, if you couldn't already grasp that by the title. I have playlists down below from last year and the year before of ASHTOBERFEST. If you haven't already binged those, feel free. There's a ton of videos there. And I think that's it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter to keep up with everything else. And let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. Alright, so if you guys see any glitter or purple left behind here, it's because I just got done filming another look and I'm just on a roll right now, so I'm leaving all of that on me. If you see it, just that's why. So starting off with this look, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows first, just using my normal brow products. There's still glitter in my eyebrow. In the front of my brow, I'm just going to draw some hair-like strokes. To me, this makes it look a little bit more grungy, but maybe that's just my opinion. I haven't had my brows done in I don't even know how long. They look so crazy and long. Alright, so brows are done. I'm going to go ahead and go in with some concealer. This is the Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer in Snow. And Marie has a pretty pale complexion, so I'm just going to be putting this under my eyes, a little bit on my forehead and my chin, and I'm going to blend this out with a beauty blender. Once it's kind of blended in under my eyes, I'm just going to tap it around the rest of my face just to blend it in. I'm also going to add a little bit to my lids to prime. Next, I'm just going to set all of that with a translucent powder. I'm just using the Laura Mercier powder. Alright, next I'm going to be taking a cool toned contour, and I'm just going to be carving out my cheekbones. Nothing too crazy yet. What is this? That's okay, I'm going to be making my eyes look grungy anyways. When was the last time anybody even watched Ed, Edd, and Eddy? I used to watch it all the time, but I've not seen it in so long. All this up here is going to be covered by my wig, but I'll go ahead and contour anyways. I'm going to contour my nose a little bit. Obviously Marie in the show didn't do any contouring, but I'm trying to give like a modern spin to her. I'm also going to bring this down a little bit. Alright, I'm going to go into eyes really quick, so I'm going to be using my Morphe 39A. It's so messy and full of glitter. I'm going to be taking the dark blue and some of these transition shades in here. So first I'm going to be taking a brown shade This is one of the transition shades from the palette, and I'm just going to be using it as a transition shade. I'm also going to be smoking this out on the lower lash line to start. And then I'm also going to bring that down into my eye bag. I love doing this on just like regular days. Like I'll just wear my makeup out kind of like this. I'll put more on the lid, but putting brown eyeshadow in my eye bags I think makes you look so pretty because you look tired and sleepy. I don't know, I like it. So I'm just lightly blending that down. Guess I'll connect it in the inner corner. Next I'm going to go ahead and take that dark blue shade and I'm tapping to blend it out. I'm actually going to dip into the Creepy Cute palette and I'm going to use the shade Tombstone up here. So I'm just taking the gray shade pretty much in the crease and outer corner. I'm going to try tapping the gray over the blue to kind of mute it out. Alright, now that the top portion of the eyeshadow is done, I'm going to go ahead and add a wing using my NYX Epic Ink Liner. I know that she doesn't have a wing in the cartoon, obviously, but I just want to add a little something. And I feel like Marie's like the grungy sister. I know I've said grungy like 20 times, but she's the more like alternative sister, I guess. And so I wanted to give her a little wing. Alright, moving on to the lower lash line, I am going to darken things up here. Okay, so I just lined using a black liner, really sloppy because I'm going to smoke it out anyways. So I'm just going to be taking that same blue shade. This is on a Sigma Short Shader E20 brush, and I'm just going to smoke out the lower lash line just a little bit. I'm also going to take a little bit more of that gray shade from the Creepy Cute palette and go right over top of that. Again, just to mute the blue shade and make it a little bit less vibrant. I am going to drag a little bit of the gray into the eye bag very, very carefully. Okay, so eyes are done. I'm going to go ahead and do lashes and mascara off camera and I'll come back to finish the look. Okay, so lashes are on. These are my Slayer lashes from Rouge and Rogue. You guys can use code ASH, by the way, to save money on their website if you haven't tried them out. I think I'm going to try and use this as blush. We're going to see how it works out. This could go horribly wrong, and then I'm just using like a wispy brush. I don't think this is doing what I wanted it to. I'm going to go back in with my contour and just kind of deepen up a little bit more on my cheeks, because I don't think I'm going to use blush. Maybe I will. I was like, I'm not going to use it, and then I end up using it. I'm actually going to use this shade and see what this looks like. Third Eye from the Creepy Cute palette. It's cute. That's kind of what I thought the yellow was going to end up looking like, but it didn't. I'm also going to put this on the tip of my nose and kind of blend it over my nose. So Marie does have freckles. I'm going to use my little brow thingy here. What is this thing called? Shape and Shade Brow Tint in the shade Cork. And I'm kind of going to put these all over. I know hers look like they're up by her eye. The way I like to apply this is I'll apply just like one little tiny press in certain spots, and then some places I'll just do like 1, 2, 3, like 1, 2, 3 in one spot, and it will kind of darken it. I'm going to add a little bit of natural highlight here, so I'm going to use my Natasha Denona Super Glow in the shade 01. And I'm kind of just going to tap this over. I'm just going to take my brush and kind of get in this inner corner a little bit more. Okay, so for lips, I don't know what I want to do. I feel like she would wear something like this color, like something grungy, maybe a dark purple. I'm gonna try this. This is the shade Unveil. Yeah, it's the like chocolatey color from Fenty. I'm gonna see what it looks like. Is this my new everyday look? I like this with my hair color. What the hell? Alright, so that is it. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on my wig and I'll be right back to show you guys the finished look. How cute is this wig? It looks exactly like her hair. Although it keeps covering up this eye, which it's supposed to do, but I wish that it wouldn't always cover this eye. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I think this is, I say this about every single one. There is a lipstick on my teeth. I think this is my new everyday look. I really like the way that this turned out, even with this hair color. Maybe someday I'll dye my hair this dark blue, maybe. This is another one of those wigs from Amazon, so I don't know why like Amazon has had the best wigs. I had a bunch of wig companies send me stuff too, but so far Amazon has killed it, and for like 1/10 of the price. I'll link it down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment on today's Instagram picture if you want to enter today's makeup giveaway. I'm giving away makeup on every single ASHTOBERFEST video and choosing winners at the end of the week. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you, and you can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I link that down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!